Guys, holy shit, my package came today. Time to open this up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. As you can see, I got all 3 mystery boxes. I got the Deluxe, Premium, and Supreme Christmas boxes. Who wants to do a vote on which one I'm going to open up first? JK, I'm opening this one first. Oh shit, another one. Round 2, let's go! Fuck yeah, look at that shit. Jeffree. Ooh, 4G. Ooh, no they did not. Fuck yeah, Malibu Beach House. These are just so iconic, I can't get over it. Alright, y'all, we're working on the last one. Oh, hey girl, I see you out here. This shit is pretty epic. Oh, hey. Aw, look at that, I got an ornament. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen.